Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Anisa, and today I will to explain about methodology analysis of BIPA teaching. And uh, first is level of BIPA from this video. The identification of the BIPA for like intermediate level is accurate and well supported by explicit video evidence. The justification provide a solid profile of the learner's varied knowledge, ex- exposure to Indonesia, and their correct linguistic boundaries or ability to handle abstract culture depths despite minor structural error. And the second is academic enhancements. Is alike perfectly with the Common European Framework or of reference for language or CEFR or B1 or B2 or the official Indonesian Ministry of Education SKLDPA like graduate competencies standard level for level 4 where learners are expected to transition from con- concrete everyday topic to abstract narrative. And the second is purpose of learning. The purpose successfully bright linguistic competence like narrative capabilities with interculture competence by asking students to retell Indonesia folk tales or dongeng and preparing them to share folk tales from their own home country. The lesson promote a two-way culture exchange rather than passive culture consumption. And this approach can be the theoretical classified as fostering interculture communicative competence or ICC, which is detailed in modern foreign language pedagogy. And then skill focus. Uh, the emphasis on speaking skill atau keterampilan bicara is well elaborate, showcasing both spontaneous interaction atau answer the question and extends monologue retelling stories. It's worth noting that while speaking is the primary productive skill, listening comprehension acts as a crucial receptive sub-skill here. Students must actively listen to their peer narrative to maintain the conversational flow and engage in per nomination. And the fourth is material of learning. Use iconic Indonesian folklore like Malin Kundang and Danau Toba is highlight appropriate for BIPA 4, focus on specific vocabulary and discourse markets like pada zaman dahulu or once upon a time show any can awareness of text structure learning. This represent a gender-based approach or GBA specifically focus on the structure and vocabulary alignment of narrative text. And then media, the integration of the official textbook Sahabatku Indonesia, digital slide maps, and interactive tool demonstrate a highly effective online classroom environment, and the use of geographic maps serve an excellent visual scaffolding could help language learner abstract historical narrative into construct. And then learning approach. The classroom dynamically shift the spotlight away from the teacher to the student. The student centered communicative approach, or CLT, and perfectly ex- exam when the teacher allows students to pass question to one another, which minimize teacher talking time and maximum student talking time. This can be also characteristic to task-based language teaching, or TBLT, where the ultimate communicative task is the performance of the monologue or storytelling. And then teacher strategy and style. This is the strong section of the analysis. And implement correction is highly perceptive when the teacher gently correct the location of like Toba without stopping the student flow. The teacher prioritizes fluence over absolute accuracy, with build student confidence. And the conclusion is the instructor acts beautifully as a facilitator rather than origin lecture by turning folklore into an active, communicative, and collaborative experience. The lesson guides by a simple grammar rule and transform the online classroom into living space and intercultural dialogue. Yeah, I think, okay, that's all for me. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.